Today, let me show you how to fix the Telegram cannot block user. So if you're having issues blocking users within Telegram, in today's video, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, instead of going to their profile and blocking within the profile, what you can do is head over to the block list within the settings and then block them from there. So what you can do is head over to the settings of Telegram, head over to the privacy and security, and right here you should be able to see the option called blocked users. If you've already blocked many people, you should be able to see a list of users being displayed, and if you're trying to block new users, you can just tap on the block user option and then you'd be able to select the exact people that you're trying to block. So this is the first step that you can try out if the manual method is not working out. But however, if the solution is also not working out for you, then in this situation what you'll need to do is clear out the database. So if you're on an Android device, you can simply tap and hold the app of Telegram, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to storage and then tap on the clear cache option. If you're using an iOS device, you'll need to offload the application of Telegram. So these are the few solutions that you can try out. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.